So today I'm going to show you what I got in the mail from Young Living. It's my Essential Rewards box, and I get this every month. And so every month it's like my birthday, only today it's February 2nd, so it really is my birthday. So I ordered this about a week and a half ago, and it comes in a box about this size, and it says it's from Young Living, so I know it's my essential oils that I ordered. And there's some packaging and my receipt. And let's see what I got. So I got a little bag of samples, or sample bottles, so I can send samples to anybody out there in the great big internet land. If you would like, I'll make you a sample and send that to you. And because my handwriting isn't always the best, I got a bunch of little stickers, and it has all the names of the essential oils on them, so I can just plop those on there, and you don't have to try and read my crazy handwriting. The other things I got in here, now Young Living doesn't just do essential oils. They do like cleaning products too, and they're of course made with essential oils. So this is their Thieves cleaner, and it looks kind of like a small bottle, but it's concentrated. And their whole like Thieves brand, it's they have a whole bunch of like cleaning products and body products and things. And the Thieves, it's like a combination of a couple of different oils with like cinnamon and clove and nutmeg. So it smells really, really good. So even though this is a little bottle, you just take a empty like spray bottle that you might have, or go to the dollar store, pick one up, and you pour just a cap full of the Thieves in the spray bottle, and then you fill the rest of it with water. So even though I think this was like $22, it's gonna make like a ton of bottles. Like I think you get like 50 bottles out of this one little bottle. So it only ends up being like $1 for $1 or $2 for like your spray cleaner, and you can use it on like all kinds of things, like in your bathroom, in your kitchen, on your floors. So that's really cool, and it's awesome too. I'm really looking forward to using this because it doesn't have any like toxins or anything in it. All those products in the store seem to have, or even the ones that are like supposedly natural that you get at the store, they're like $5-6. So I mean, this is like water and clove and lemon, cinnamon bark, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So not a big long list of crazy chemicals. So that is going to be really awesome to try. So I got that, and then alright, so they do a really good job of like wrapping up all the oils because they all come in little glass vials to keep them protected, because oils don't always hold up so well like in plastic, plus you don't want the plastic chemicals either. Oh, so this is another Thieves product, and because I'm in the medical field, I like my hand sanitizer, and I want to not be full of other chemical junk, so 3 of these little hand sanitizers, and again they're they're part of the Thieves product line that they have, and so they are going to smell really good, like cinnamon and clove, and then also keep all the germs away. I don't know if there's like a little tab in there, or if I can, oh yeah, they're open, great. Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, it smells a lot like cinnamon, and it feels good in your hands too. It doesn't feel like super drying like a lot of the ones I use at work. It's really nice. Cool. So if you saw my post about the event I'm having in or the class I'm having in a week or two, these are going to be some of the giveaways. So you might end up taking one of these home. And then the other things I have in here, now they send the essential oils in these cute little tubes to protect them. And if I like to keep these and reuse them in case I have to send a sample out to somebody, so that way I know if I send you a sample, like in the mail, it's not gonna get damaged. All right, so there are 2 in there. And these are actually what I ordered for the month. Actually, this one I got free and this one I ordered. So this one I'll do first. This is 15 milliliters of, it's called Copaiba, and it's an essential oil from the gum resin that they've distilled from an Amazon, a tree down the Amazon basically. And Copaiba, I've never heard of it until I got my starter kit a few weeks ago, but it's really cool from what I've been reading and researching on it. And I've been using it on my skin, and it's my skin is loving this oil on my face. Keeps it from looking nice and healthy and has that nice glow to it. So I thought I wrote something down here about Copaiba. Right. So it's great for skin. Oh, and also it helps with healing. So it's really great with that. And this is a 15 ml bottle. It's one of the bigger, that's the larger size that Young Living has. But even with this, you might be like, oh, well, that doesn't look so big. But what you do is you dilute it in a carrier oil, like jojoba. That's what I've been doing for my skin, and that's worked out really well. So I ordered that. And then this is one that I got for free. This is spearmint, and you notice underneath it says Vitality. That just means that it's approved to be taken internally. So the Copaiba, I've been putting it on my skin, so that's a topical use. And this one, you could put it on your skin if you needed, but it is approved to be taken internally. So you could put it in a little bit of water, or you could make spearmint ice cream, a mint flavored ice cream. That would be really good. And you could even, all these oils, you can also put them in your diffuser, and that way you're more of an aromatic type of way to take the oils in. So yeah, I got that for free. Yay. And then I have one more tube here. By the way, this is the size of the 5 ml bottles. So the other one was 15, this one's 5 mLs. And I think I do remember the 5 mLs, I think they have about 90 drops in them. If I can get these out. So that's 90 times that you can use that little bottle. And then, of course, the 15 mLs are, 3 times that much. So let me do my math. 270 times or so. Hopefully I did my math right there. What else did I get here? Oh, okay. So this little oil, this guy, Endoflex, this is the whole reason I kind of got into Young Living. My friend who I met at the gym, I was talking to her one day about some health issues I was having, and she recommended this oil. And Endoflex, if you look at the name of it, it's endocrine. So it supports your endocrine system. And if you don't know what that is, it's your hormones and your metabolism and all that good stuff that needs to function properly in your body for your body to do all that it needs to do. So this is Endoflex, and I was talking to somebody else today. I couldn't remember what exactly was in this, so I actually just looked that up, and it has spearmint in, and you can definitely smell the spearmint when you open it up. But it also has sesame, sage, geranium, myrtle, something called matricaria. I'm not really sure what that is. But and then the last thing in it is nutmeg. So it's a blend of all those different oils. And so I'm gonna be breaking this open, not breaking the bottle obviously, but breaking the seal open later today. And I'm gonna start using this because I actually ran out of this, and so I can tell my body's been craving it. So I like to put a little bit like right here above my thyroid, like kind of near my lymph nodes, down here, like under my arms. But yeah, it's been really supportive for me. So that is great. And then this one is lemon, and just like that spearmint one, it's a vitality oil. So that means it can be taken internally also. So you can put like in your water. Actually, I made like a lemon infused like pudding the other week. I may have talked about that in my last post, or my last video that I made, but that was really good, and I used this in it. You can use it on your salads. You can use it if you're like cooking. You don't want to like put the oils on before you cook because that would, you know, destroy all the good properties. But if you put them on at the end of, like, you know, you pull the stuff out of the oven, like if you're making like potatoes and like it's like lemon pepper seasoning or something, you can put that on at the end, and you'll get that nice lemon aroma and flavor. So that is it for my essential rewards box this month. But yeah, it's like Christmas or birthday every month that way, and you get free stuff, as you see. And not only do you get free stuff, you get like kickbacks too. So like I get like 10% back. That's like even better than like most credit cards, right? Even better than like Target. Like Target, you have the Target card, you get like 5% back. Here, you get 10% back, and you can even buy stuff like you get at Target, like cleaning stuff. I think I'm gonna try some of the other cleaners, order some of those for next month maybe, and some of like the personal care products like soaps and things too, so y'all can see some of those. But until next time, if you have any questions or you want to sample any of those oils that I showed you today, check out my details down below on the screen, and we'll be in touch. Bye.